How do I activate the tap screen function on TikTok's live videos?
Hello, fellow TikTokers. In this video, we'll learn about an essential feature of TikTok's live videos, the tap screen function. This feature is a fun way to interact with live streams and can help the content creators you love. If you're not sure how to activate it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro.
What is the tap screen function on TikTok?
The tap screen function is a unique feature in TikTok's live videos that allows users to show appreciation for the content creator's live video. Every tap sends a virtual heart to the broadcaster. These hearts are not only a visual indicator of your engagement, but they also help increase the video's popularity on the platform.
How to find live videos on TikTok?
Finding live videos on TikTok is pretty straightforward. You can find them by 1. Launching your TikTok app and visiting the For You or Following page. 2. Look for thumbnails marked with a red live label. These are the live streams happening in real time. 3. Tap on any live video that interests you to join the stream.
How to activate the tap screen function?
Now, we are coming to the crucial part. Let's learn how to activate the tap screen function. 1. Once you've joined a live video, you can simply tap anywhere on the screen to send a virtual heart. 2. Each tap will send a heart, and you can tap as many times as you like. 3. Watch as the hearts flutter to the top of the screen, showing your support to the creator. So that's how you activate the tap screen function on TikTok's live videos. Easy, right? Now you can show your favorite creators just how much you appreciate their content. Remember, every tap counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap that like button and share it with your friends. Keep tapping and keep supporting on TikTok. Happy TikToking!